Hey y'all, what's up? This is Uncle P, and I'm going to take you to the charts and show you what happened. This is really for the students who came to class over the last couple of days, and I told you about taking trades off the 1 hour time frame. Let's go. Let's take a look. First of all, if you're new to my channel, hit the like and subscribe button, please. And I'm going to float my head around. As you can see, this is a live account. And students, I told you guys yesterday to follow this one in. We were looking at this one. It's doing a pullback, but I'm going to hang on to it because of what I see on the higher time frames. I love that, as you can see, the 4 hour. Look at that. Now we got a 4 hour candle, but I got in on the 1 hour time frame. So it's doing a little pullback, which is cool with me. I'm fine with that. It was more pips. It shot up from here to here, 35 pips. So it's doing a pullback and then it shoots back up. And then CAD, see, same thing. Look at that beauty right there. Okay, and it shot up more than that. It's doing its little pullback thing. So that was about 45 pips right there. EU, woohoo, hey, 47 pips. GBP, NZD, had two positions. That's why it's 34. Now it's doing a little pullback. But from this top position, it dropped all the way and I was asleep to 169 pips. And then on this one, it dropped 100 pips. So that was 200 some pips. So it's doing a pullback. Looking at it from the higher time frame, you can see it's in our zone. Got plenty of opportunity to come all the way down to here, to this level. Right here. Okay. See how it touched. Boom. And it can also come all the way down to this level. As you can see right here. Let me unlock my charts. See that? Boom. And that's without even, you can use your Fibonacci's to mark off levels, but sometimes you can just visually see what price action like to have touched. See right here, touched. So if it comes down, it could stop at that level, then come down, stop at that level. And then it could, if it continues down, it could stop at that level. See, touched, came back up, touched. So it can come there. Okay, let's keep going. Here goes another one. I'm up 40 pips on this one. This is NZD Swiss. You see I was up more, but it's just on a temporary pullback. But I'm going to hang on to this one as well. It was 70 pips on this one before the pullback. And sometimes you're just going to be asleep. You know, you're just not going to be able to see it. This one smashed. I take profit to the signals group for 50 pips. Because we have more than that. You know, you see it's doing a pullback. But from our entry, yeah, it's about 60 pips. And we went for 50 for the signals group. And then here. 56 pips for USD CAD, as you can see. All of these off the 1 hour time frame. So again, students, I'm telling you, get the if you haven't gotten a trading system, you know you need it. Okay, but the truth of the matter is, come to class so I can teach you how to do this stuff. Okay, that's about how many trades? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7 trades. All of them in profit. 7. Okay, so let me teach you. And by the way, for those who are unaware, we still do have the holiday special. Oops, oh, God, that's too big. Let me do it like this. Give me a second. So if you haven't taken advantage of it, I suggest you hurry up. Oh, wrong thing. Well, oh, there we go. All right, sorry. I know this ain't cute and edited like a lot of other videos, but you get the point. There we go. So as you can see, let me move my head out the way, that would help. The Too Easy system is on sale. now, and I would get all three because you're eventually going to get them anyway, because that's how we combine them. Eventually we got the scanner that scans for setups, which is what I use to find these. I don't sit at the charts all day. I wait for the alert to come out on the 1 hour from the scanner. Then I used the 2 easy system to confirm the setup, and I used easy to this 2 easy right here. I use simplicity to confirm the setup, and then I use 2 easy to confirm that other buyers or sellers are in the market looking at the same thing, so that I can go with the flow, okay, with the flow of the money. So you want to get all three, because basically what you're getting is all three almost for the price of what the regular simplicity system was for, okay? So grab it while the holiday special is going. We took $100 off of simplicity. We took money off of this one, $40 off of that one, and we took about $50 off of this one. So again, grab all three while the sale is here before it ends on Christmas. After that, prices go back to normal. But again, this is how we do our thing in class. So when you buy the simplicity system, my classes are free. You don't pay extra for them. Okay? Have a good day.